Pedestrian safety is not just a transportation issue, it's a matter of protecting lives in our community. Every resident deserves to walk in our neighborhoods without fear of injury. The tragic loss of community members in Bailey's Crossroad is a reminder that we must all work together to make sure our streets are safer. To do this, we must walk to spread awareness about traffic safety habits, making eye contact with drivers when crossing roads, obeying and utilizing all pedestrian signage, and practicing safer driving habits. I'm proud to stand with our youth council who are turning grief into action because safety is a shared responsibility, and together we can save lives.